welcome back to my channel. My name is Shell, and today I'm going to be cleaning out my car. This light is bright, y'all. I'm going to be cleaning out my car because, you know, I work with COVID-19 positive patients now, and I'll let you guys know like the whole gist of it when I do my it's a trend, y'all. But I'll let you guys know like the gist of everything, like when I do like get ready with me or something, let you guys know. Like I work with COVID-19 patients and everything. But so today the only thing I'm really doing is like cleaning out my car. I feel like I'm a little too close to the thing in here. Like I feel like I'm way too close. So I think I'm gonna pull back up and pull farther away from this thing so I can actually vacuum out this car and sanitize everything. I mean, it may not be the best sanitation, but at least I'm doing it because, you know, my kids actually riding this car. This is my only car, my only transportation other than my boyfriend's 2 cars. So I need to sanitize everything before everybody gets back in here, and mainly it's just like where I sit at and the passenger seat. Okay, my car is junky. It's very junky. My car always is junky because I go to work and I take things with me, and I don't never throw them in the trash unless sometimes in the morning, but most of the time I be on a rush half of the time. So with that being said, you guys is gonna let me stop rambling. With that being said, you guys about to just see me do this little video. So I'm gonna give you guys a before and an after of my car. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not good. I mean, it's not decent. So okay, so I'm about to give you guys like a little overview of everything about what I'm about to do. This is my only car. It's a 2002 Honda Accord. So give me a second. Okay, you guys, so that is basically like the gist of everything, how my car looking right now. So I'm about to go ahead and clean up. I'm about to give y'all an overview of me taking the stuff out. So just sit back and watch. I always have like a lot of change everywhere, all the time. So, and I know I should be doing this with gloves, blase, but I mean, I risk it. And I risk it all the time. So I did everything I was supposed to do as far as taking things out the floor. I picked everything up. Now I'm gonna put all the clothes that I did have in my car in my little work bag. Once I finish with the work bag, then I'll be ready to vacuum. I'm kind of out of breath because I am tired and it's kind of hot out here. So I'll give y'all guys an overview of what I do have. So I have a mask because you know I have to wear a mask at work. Hold on, you guys. I'm in the car, hair products, lotion, my boyfriend hoodie, because I guess it was raining whenever we had went here. And I have like a lot of in my purse. But it's ants up here, so I better put this in the trunk real quick. My trunk need to be cleaned up. Okay, so now I really got, well, I be forgetting my stuff, but I thought I had everything out of here. I have shoes that need to go in the trunk, but I have to sanitize them before I put them in the trunk because I work on, you know, like I said, I work with COVID people, so I need to sanitize as much as I can. These are me and my boyfriend's shoes. So I'm gonna spray down these shoes since they've been together. I'm gonna vacuum out my car. So give me a second. Like on the seats, and it kind of got a crack in it. So I'm just sprinkle it all over the floor like this because it got a hole in it. I pick up as much as I could, and people is staring, like I said, people is staring really bad. So I might just put you guys down, but this is what I'm doing. I did take trash in my car. So with me taking trash in my car, it did mess up a lot of stuff, but I am gonna wipe my seat down, and I just want it to smell good, you know. So I'm gonna put you guys right here. Because people is staring at me. I think to them is like weird as hell, y'all. So people is weird around here. I know y'all heard him, and it's just people do weird shit all the time around here. So it's like, I don't know, y'all. But I have like some of the randomest shit in my car. Like my piercings that I got to change. I got to change these because it's on my tongue. And this is a big bar. So I got to change them. So I put all my stuff basically in here. I stuffed it. I stuffed all my stuff in here. I'm surprised this thing carrying on this long, y'all. And y'all, this thing is loud as hell. So I'm gonna basically sit you guys right here so you can see me like backing up my car. To the other side. The suction isn't the best with this vacuum. I'm gonna let you guys know for you guys think that I'm being lazy, but the suction for this vacuum is like real soft. Like usually it's loud. You hear how soft this vacuum is, but I am vacuuming and I'm tired, so another quick thing before you guys say I'm supposed to be like, what's the name of that shit, quarantine myself because I work with people who are COVID-19 positive. Like I really don't. I don't know if they changed that shit, but I don't really see nobody and they have yet to tell us to quarantine. So I know I'm negative because I did get tested. I know I'm negative because I did get tested and I came back negative, but I just want to keep it that way and keep my family that way. You guys get what I'm saying? Like, oh, I can't put y'all up there. You guys get what I'm saying? Like, I'm just trying to keep it the way it is. But honey, ain't nobody trying to get sick no more. So I'm gonna spray like everything down. I'm gonna wipe everything down. Just like for my keys, like anything that I do touch like all the time, and if I don't touch it, you guys know what I mean. Let me put my pockets on the floor, cause people riding by be nosy, honey. People riding by. So I guess I'm gonna just show you guys what I do, or what I'm doing, and it is hard to find. It is hard to find this stuff. So, you know, I don't try to overuse it, but I use it enough so you guys get where I'm going with it. I use it enough so I won't get sick and my kids won't get sick. And I need to wash this car seat, but I ain't washing it today. I just want to let y'all know, because we don't even get in the car and go nowhere like that, because I know how real it is out here. And you think I'm gonna put my kids in danger of knowing how real it is out here with this damn COVID shit? I ain't. I may work in it. That's enough exposure they need. It's for me bringing me back home. So basically all I did was like spray everything down. So I spray, then I go in with my Lysol wipes, because this is like an off-brand spray. So I go in with my little Lysol wipes and I wipe everything down. So you guys can look behind me and see me wipe a couple of things down. But I am getting tired. When I tell you, YouTubers say this shit is time consuming, it is time consuming, baby. Y'all, my car look nasty. I did clean it out when I had got it, because I had bought it from my boyfriend's sister. I did clean it out, and now it look like I ain't never cleaned this damn car a day in my life. just to the point of, let's talk then, y'all. Since all ain't no music, I am to the point with all this COVID stuff. I am over it. I enjoy the pay. Don't get me wrong, I like the pay now. I love the pay. But the precautions that you gotta take for all this stuff, and you gotta do all this, like I'm literally out here sweating bullets because I gotta clean my car. You know, like I gotta clean everything I touch, like everything. And I told y'all now, my car look filthy, so don't judge me. But yeah, like I gotta clean everything. I mean, I'm not complaining, but then again I am. I want the world to go back to how it was. That's what all I want. Now I gotta walk all the way back over here. Oh, I hate when this shit come on. People just want to be nosy going to that thing. Okay, but I am over this whole cleaning it with this COVID stuff. But then again, it's like the pay is like awesome. So I want to complain, but can I complain? I really can't. So it's like, I don't know. It's like a pro and a con. How do I get a leaf in my window, y'all? It's like a pro and a con. But I'm kind of getting everything that I touch and that my kids touch, because my kids be in the car and they like to touch everything. And I feel like it raining, or maybe I'm just sweating like tired as hell. Now somebody playing music, so hold on, y'all. Thank you. I am kind of done. I'm gonna have to like cut this video up because of the music in the back. But I am kind of done. Only thing I am doing again is yet spraying everything back down. Even though I just wipe it down. Well, we ain't waiting on nobody to get sick around here. We ain't waiting on nobody to get sick. Who, baby? Not us, because we're not getting sick. So I'm gonna show you guys the end results. It's not the best, because I don't usually detail my car like my person usually do it. So you just gonna say I did a little something today. Oh, don't ignore the car seat. And I told y'all I gotta wash the car seat. So with all this, I am done. I am hungry. I am going to get me something to eat. So I'll probably take a video or a picture of like the car after. Of the car after. Like of the car after now. And then like we'll be good because people be on weird. So we're about to go. So come on. Okay, y'all, this man. Ooh, that's the timer when I was supposed to come out here and clean this car. So please come back and watch some more videos. It ain't gonna always be about COVID, but I can inform y'all in some stuff of the healthcare, what I see as long-term care facilities. But again, thank you for watching and continue to watch. Will continue to watch my videos with me uploading. Thank you.